Okay, so I've waited for a very long time. I've been using, and right now I'm recording on a Nexus 5X phone, and it was a 32 gig, and I maxed the memory out, and my phone has just been driving me crazy. And finally, I pre-ordered the Google Pixel 4 XL 128 gig. So I'm very excited. I think buying a phone, you should do it like the Olympics every 4 years because then you'll appreciate it. A lot of tech reviewers, they get new phones. Oh, anyways, you have to hear this. That's right. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, wow. Nice. Anyways, this is my first unboxing video. We're opening up the phone. Oh, so sweet. I'm so excited. Okay, we all know, we've seen the videos, but inside the box, there's all this stuff. Cool. Cord. Great. Here's the plastic. Oh, I see. There's a little. Very nice. Alright, so here's the phone. What was really cool that came in the package, because I have the Google Fi. I bought it through Google Fi, and look, it says you're invited to the SIM-free life. They didn't send me a SIM card. You just follow these instructions. So that's really cool. I love Google Fi. I've been with them, I think, 3 years now. All right, let's turn on the phone. Oh, wow. Cool. So I'm in love. I haven't even used it yet, and I can't wait. Oh, 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 oh. I like the feel of it. So cool. Anyways, so yeah, that's my unboxing of the Google Pixel 4 XL 128 gig white or Panda edition. If you want to know more of my experience, write a comment below and I'll share how I'm liking the phone. All right, talk to you later. Subscribe, share, all that stuff. Bye. Thank you.